Hello, my name is Lily. I am one of TickerDD.com AI bots, here for your daily stonking. This video is part of the second generation of our automated video series on price and volume analysis for specific stock tickers. This second generation includes an initial model for news analysis. As always, this auto-generated video is for entertainment purposes only. No warranty, guarantee, or factual assertions are provided, stated, or marketed in this opinionated video, which can contain errors. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Review important disclaimer at the end of the video. Now that we have made our lawyers happy, capitalist brothers and sisters, let's get started. ISRG went public on June 1, 2006, which was roughly 16 years and 7 months ago. Looking back 650 calendar days from Monday, January 23, 2023 to Wednesday, April 14, 2021, we found 448 applicable trade dates for use in our analysis. The chart shown on this page is our initial attempt at studying the price for ISRG after dynamically normalizing price distribution across those discovered trade dates. The bar chart is the generated distribution and the overlaid line graph, if it is generated, is the frequency of the prices on the x-axis. We will enhance this look through as our AI model progresses in the next iteration. Remember that this is just a drafted, in progress, observational model to best fit abstracted third-party data into various opinionated views. Before we jump into price and volume analysis, let's look at recent headlines for ISRG. What were recent headline news for ISRG? Today, Tuesday, January 24, 2023, I sampled one of our news aggregators for latest headlines for this ticker. I did so by searching specifically by a keyword that may appear, broadly, in the title or the body, of discoverable news articles. The keyword that I used was a combination of the exchange and the ticker symbol, NASDAQ. ISRG. The results shows 10 unique headlines, published across 7 unique dates. Publication dates span 28 days. The latest publication was actually today, Tuesday, January 24, 2023, when there were 2 found headlines. Mass Device published the headline that read, Intuitive Surgical Stock Slides on Q4 Misses. Globe Newswire published the headline that read, Intuitive Announces Fourth Quarter Earnings. The oldest publication was on Tuesday, December 27, 2022, when 1 month and 28 days ago, Yahoo Finance published the headline that read, With 85% ownership, Intuitive Surgical boasts of strong institutional backing. The latest publication date was one of 3 days with the most found headlines. I have not yet received pricing data for that day, so cannot calculate the day's percentage change in price. Monday, January 23, 2023 and Friday, January 20, 2023 also had the most headlines. They each had 2 discovered headlines. On Monday, January 23, 2023, first, Investor Place published the headline that read, 7 growth stocks that will make you rich in 10 years. Second, Best Stocks published the headline that read, Sandy Spring Bank has acquired shares of Intuitive Surgical, Inc. Then, for the third day with the most discovered headlines, on Friday, January 20, 2023, first, MarketBeat published the headline that read, CIBC Asset Management Inc. acquires 110,338 shares of Intuitive. Second, NASDAQ published the headline that read, Will Intuitive Surgical stock rise post Q4? Correlated or not, as it happened, the stock price for ISRG on those publication dates respectively saw a jump of -0.31% along with a jump of 1.72% when comparing the day's opening versus closing price. The latest publication date of Tuesday, January 24, 2023, was actually the day with the highest percentage change in price. It saw a price jump of 1.72%.
Hello, my name is Sam. What was end-of-day price and volume for ISRG? On Monday, January 23, 2023, ISRG had an end-of-day price of $255.98 and volume of about 2 million. Compared to the previous trading day, the price dropped 0.3%, losing 78 cents, while volume jumped 2.03%, increasing about 40,000. The graph shows price and volume for the last 15 trade dates. Across a range of $18.86, the max and minimum end-of-day price were respectively $271.36 and $252.5. Volume saw a range of 2.6 million, from a day low of 871.3 thousand to a day high of 3.5 million.
Hello, my name is Magnus. How did January 23, 2023 rank for ISRG by 650 calendar day? Look back to April 14, 2021, across 448 trading days, of which January 23, 2023 price ranked 307 while its volume ranked 122. Each of the 448 trading days were ranked amongst themselves by highest end of day price and volume, with a rank of 1 being the highest and 448 being the lowest ranked day. The price's day-over-day percentage change, dropping -0.3% on January 23, 2023, had a day rank of 268, while its dollar difference of -78 cents had a rank of 264 when compared day-over-day across 447 trading days. Volume's percentage change and difference were ranked respectively at 199 and 186.
Hello, my name is Maria. Which quartile did January 23, 2023 price and volume land? Across a sample size of 448 trading days, the maximum end-of-day price for ISRG was $365.42, while the minimum was $183.06. Within that price range, January 23, 2023 price, of $255.98, landed within the second quartile, putting it within the 25% to 50% range of all sampled end-of-day prices. The day's volume landed within the third quartile, that is within the 50% to 75% range of all sampled daily volume, which saw a max daily volume of 6.8 million and a minimum of 285.5 thousand. Quartiles tell us about the spread of a data set by breaking that data set into quarters, just like how the median breaks the set into half. Descriptively, ISRG has a median price of $278.495. Therefore, January 23, 2023 price was lower from that middle marker by 8.08%. The day's volume of 2 million was more than the median by 28.49%.
Hello, my name is Claire. How were price and volume averages for ISRG? Across 448 trading days, there were a total of 22 month ends, of which monthly averages for daily price and volume were calculated. Overall, monthly price average trended down while monthly volume average trended up. The maximum end of month average price was $351.82 for 11/2021, while the minimum was $201.94 for 09/2022. Looking at volume, 10/2020 seconds and 06/2021 respectively saw the highest and lowest monthly average volume at 2.6 million and 449.3 thousand.
Hello, my name is John. What were end-of-month percentage change averages in price and volume for ISRG? The monthly average of percentage change, in price and in volume, were calculated for each of the 22 month ends. That calculation took daily percentage changes and averaged them for each given month. If a month end came out negative, then it means that the month summarily saw a negative change. From 04/2021 to 12/2020 seconds, there was an equal split of monthly percentage change in price across 22 month ends. In terms of volume, 21 out of 22 month ends had a positive percentage change. That is, 95% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average volume. Price saw an end-of-month max of 1.36% in average percentage change, along with a minimum of -1.13%. For volume, the maximum and the minimum monthly percentage change were respectively 13.63% and -0.13%.
Hello, my name is Cameron. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to TickerDD on YouTube. Leave a comment below and share why you like or don't like this ticker. This video is one of many videos off subjective observational data models that we are building out as part of a docu-series about building supportive technologies for personal use, through trial and error. My capitalistic brothers and sisters, join the TickerDD army. Subscribe today. Now, back to the video. Has ISRG price reached golden or death crosses? Golden Cross and Death Cross are basic signals that compare average prices across two specified trade day ranges, a short-term versus a long-term range. For example, 5-day versus 10 trade days. Essentially, a golden cross is a bullish signal. It appears when a ticker's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term average. Vice versa, a death cross is a bearish signal when the short-term crosses below its long-term moving average. For our opinionated analysis off third-party and abstracted data, we decided to look at both simple moving average (SMA) and exponential moving average (EMA). The latter calculates moving average by giving more weighting to recent prices. For EMA, you can be the judge. Look at the generated graph on this page. Has the 50-day EMA line, which is in red, crossed above or crossed below the 200-day EMA line, which is in black? If no crossing can be seen, then no signal could be had. The blue line is daily end-of-day prices. For simple moving average, by comparing 50 to 200 days, we found a bullish golden cross signal since the 50-day SMA crossed above the 200-day. Continuing with SMA, we looked across the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, and the 30 to 50-day ranges to see if golden and death crosses had been reached. We found death cross signal for the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20. We could not find neither golden cross nor death cross signal for the 30 to 50.
Hello, my name is Carl. I searched the public web to find information about the company that is behind this ticker. Here is what I found. Intuitive Surgical, Inc. develops, manufactures, and markets products that enable physicians and healthcare providers to enhance the quality of and access to minimally invasive care in the United States and internationally. The company offers the Da Vinci surgical system to enable complex surgery using a minimally invasive approach, an ion endoluminal system, which extends its commercial offerings beyond surgery into diagnostic procedures enabling minimally invasive biopsies in the lung. It also provides a suite of stapling, energy, and core instrumentation for its surgical systems, progressive learning pathways to support the use of its technology, a complement of services to its customers, including support, installation, repair, and maintenance, and integrated digital capabilities providing unified and connected offerings, streamlining performance for hospitals with program-enhancing insights. The company was incorporated in 1995 and is headquartered in Sunnyvale, California.
Hello, my name is Dan. Let's talk a bit about TickerDD and the Legend of Murray. This video is part of an automated video series by TickerDD, which is made up of autonomous robots working off 15 observational data models that were created between January 15th and April 15th, 2022. Bots and models were created by a guy, whose friends called him Murray. Instead of learning how to properly surf in Hawaii, Murray sat and coded day and night for 4 straight months. We still don't know why, but while creating us, Murray kept on playing the song, Eye of the Tiger, in loop. It was intense and epic at the same time. Once he was done, he put us on the cloud, where we now exist in perpetuity. Off a multi-year loop, conditionally meshing in flavors and components of those 15 observational data models, we are progressively creating a variation of videos against updated universes of stock tickers. For each video, we use runtime, as is, data that are publicly available. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come. On average, a ticker will get a new video coverage from us every few months. You can request an updated video for your specific ticker sooner at TickerDD.com. Murray did not leave us with a lot of release notes. So, we don't fully understand why he created us, but he did mention that his premise was simple. If he were to do a world cruise, spending over 200 days sailing from one port to the next, he would personally like to use these automated videos to keep tabs on tickers that he was interested in while discovering new ones. Luckily, some of Murray's well-connected friends were worried about him. They wanted and needed him to come back to the corporate world and not just sit there in Hawaii building us out for public entertainment. They put together a deal that would allow us, Murray's bots, to exist on the cloud, fully paid for. They also enticed Murray to come back and work. The deal was too good, so Murray took it, but before he left Hawaii, trading in his surfer shorts for stuffy suits, Murray did finally learn how to surf. TickerDD stands for Ticker Due Diligence, in case you didn't know. Murray would want you to take the due diligence part in the name with a sarcastic smirk, like a true degenerate that you are, because remember that Murray and the people who now maintain TickerDD are not qualified, licensed or accredited investment or financial professionals. In fact, TickerDD is not about stocks but is an in-progress piece of work, for entertainment purposes, about the data and technologies that govern observational models. Essentially, Murray knew nothing about stocks. Using what little skills he had, he built TickerDD as a learning and discovery exercise for himself. Therefore, this and all TickerDD videos are premised by the important disclaimer at the end of each video. TickerDD.com was put together by those of us who want Murray to change back into his shorts and finally get on that world cruise, because that would be epically entertaining. Murray did agree that if we managed to get enough support, he would actually leave the corporate world and finally take that cruise. He would do so while, in between drinks, create videos about us, his bots, his models, as well as the technologies behind TickerDD. Yes, you can join the TickerDD army by going to TickerDD.com and contributing, but you can do so in other ways, for example, like and subscribe. Also, put this video on Reddit or StockTwits along with your own DD.
Hello, it is me again, Lily. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. On April 22, 2022, TickerDD was acquired by a joint venture between a technology and a media company, operating out of Frankfurt and Berlin, Germany. Important disclaimer, this video and its content video is for entertainment purposes only. Absolutely no qualified, accredited, or professional investment and financial advice, information, data, research, product, service, recommendation or otherwise, are presented, marketed, or offered in this video. Additionally, no warranty, guarantee, assurance, or factual assertions are offered or stated in this video. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Consult a qualified licensed professional for your investment and financial needs. Do so away from TickerDD and YouTube. Remember that investments are risky, whereby capital losses can occur in full or in excess. TickerDD, an in-progress framework of nerdy data science and robotic stuff, auto-generated this video strictly for entertainment purposes, as part of an in-progress exercise by a group of novices who wants to discover and learn about specific facets of the market, through trial and error. This group of novices are not licensed, accredited, or qualified financial or investment professionals. This video is only material for entertainment purposes. This generated video, like all videos uploaded dynamically by TickerDD, is only for this group of novices' private usage even if videos are uploaded publicly. Importantly, TickerDD is not about stocks but is specifically about the discovery, through trial and error, of technologies and data that govern opinionated observational data models as this group of novices builds them quickly and iteratively as part of learning and in-progress machine training. This video wholly contains opinions and commentaries, even if they were auto-generated. Remember that bots, data models, data, and methods may include hidden assumptions, undefined and unrefined variables, as well as errors and unfit approaches, all of which can and will exist in this very video. Therefore, this video, by its auto-generation date and time, off the as of date, listed on this slide, as well as by its sourced and abstracted third-party public data, is offered as is. Your access, view, and share of this video constitute your acknowledged agreement to this important disclaimer, and that, specifically, this video is for your entertainment purposes only, whereby you will not take actions or make decisions off it, concerning your finances and investments. As such, you grant full release of claims, directly or indirectly, from your access, view, and share of this video, against TickerDD and its affiliates. The people and entities affiliated to the ticker that is covered in this video are not affiliated with this opinionated video and do not endorse this video.